My name is Carlos Reyes. I'm in 10th grade and I'm from Bel Air High School. The Raven. Once upon a midnight, dreary, while I pondered, weak and weary, over many a quaint and curious volume of forgotten lore. While I noted, nearly napping, suddenly there came a tapping, as of some one gently raping at my chamber door. "'Tis is some visitor," I muttered. I tap in at my chamber door. Only this and nothing.
Once upon a midnight dreary, while I pondered, weak and weary, over many a quaint and curious volume of forgotten lore, while I nodded, nearly napping, suddenly there came a tapping, as of someone gently rapping at my chamber door. "'Tis some visitor," I muttered, tapping at my chamber door. "Only this and nothing more." Ah, distinctly I remember, it was in the bleak December, and each separate dying ember wrought its ghost upon the floor. Eagerly I wished the morrow, vainly I had sought to borrow from my books surcease of sorrow, sorrow for the lost Lenore, for the rare and radiant maiden whom the angels name Lenore, nameless here forevermore.
Once upon a midnight dairy, while I pondered, weak and weary, over many a quaint and curious volume of forgotten lore. While I nodded, nearly napping, suddenly there came a tapping, as of some gently rapping at my chamber door. "'Tis is some visitor," I muttered, tapping at my chamber door. Only this and nothing more.